Alright, it's been a little longer than I wanted it to get my next video up, but between the snow and the rain and working on other stuff, I finally got this thing out. I put a little silicone on my front bolts here because it was leaking coolant right in there on both sides. So I guess we'll get this thing out and test it and see what it does again. I raised my rev limiter to 7,200, so I'm going to try to shift it at 7,000 this time. We'll see what it does. There it's wiggling now. We got it. It's getting there. Move the pry bar back out. Oh yeah, there we go. These valve covers are probably going to be in the way now. Huh. I may have to take them off. I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the valve covers off. Fixing to lift this thing up off of here. Golly, a little heavier than I thought it was. Oh yeah, it's off there. Now if I can pick it up without hurting myself. I lost my stool down there. I got it. Yeah, the intake looked good. I don't see no oil leaking or no coolant, so maybe it's all right. VP racing octane boost. You can get it off the shelf at O'Reilly's. It's supposed to raise it like 8 or 10 numbers or something like that. So I didn't put none in it last time, so maybe that's why it was cutting out like it was. Hoping that's all it was, but we'll see. I think that's one of my favorite sayings. We'll see. I may have found part of my problem of why this motor's pinging so bad. These look to be like dash 11 plugs, which would be too cold. And it's not, I think it's not getting hot enough to burn right. That's why it's so black. Because the timing is, fair. It's got 36 degrees in it. And the jets are not really that rich. They're 74 front, 80 in the back. So these are gapped at 40. So I'm thinking like a dash 8, dash 7 plug would be fine. It should run better. I was reading on the forums, and that's what a lot of people with high compression motors are running. And they'll use like a dash 9 for nitrous, but I don't have any nitrous, so I think I'm gonna go with a dash 8 NGK. We'll see if that changes it any. I'll let y'all know. check this thing out. Oh man. Yeah, they're coming around. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. This thing sucks at focusing. But anyway, the strap's brown, the plugs are really dark brown. And that was after, driving it probably 8 miles total, and got on it those 2 times. I might take just a little bit of jet out of it. Probably go down to like a, I don't know, 72 in the front. It's got a 74 now. The back's still got an 80 in it, so I might go down to a 78 back there. Well, it depends on how the back ones look. I ain't checked them yet, but I guess I'll do that. All right, this is number 7 plug, the back driver side. The other one was number 2 plug, front passenger side. And they both look about the same. They could use a little more jet took out, but not much. I may take it down to 78 in the back to get the spread a little bit closer, because it's 74 in the front. And I turned my idle screws, and then my 4-corner idle adjustment, I turned them in where they're almost 1 turn out, maybe a little bit less than a turn out. And it cleaned up the idle a lot more. I think that helped with being able to see my plug color, because every time I would pull them before, they'd be solid black, no matter what I did, because they were a turn and a half out before, and that was, I guess it was too much for it. So I think I got it figured out now. Oh yeah, and my pinging problem, I'm not so sure that it was the plugs now, after I done went through all that, and I overthought it a lot. Dad came to the rescue again, because I was losing my patience with it. The distributor was a tooth off. So we picked the distributor up out and turned it a tooth back, turned it towards the, turned it counterclockwise 1 tooth. Now it runs great. It's kind of embarrassing that I didn't know that, but I guess that's how it goes. That's how I learn. I don't want y'all watching this thinking I'm some expert. I mean, I'm learning pretty much everything I do. I mean, I know the basics, how to set timing and, all the little stuff. But, I mean, I guess that is a basic thing, but I didn't know it. Yeah, I may adjust my bar angle back here. I'll see my bracket. I still got one more hole at the top. That'll make it hit the tires harder if I move it up there. I mean, it does fine in the bottom hole, but it spins just a little bit. If I do it from a dead stop. I think a lot of it may have to do with my shocks, because they're adjusted, about the softest they'll go. They're the Pro Comp 3-way adjustable or whatever. You got to push them all the way in and then turn the whole body of the shock to adjust them. It's kind of a pain, but they're gonna get left where they're at. I'm not fooling with that right now, because it's not like I'm out racing this thing all the time. I'm just in here playing with it, you know. Gotta throw that in there. Why not? Yeah, that's about all we got. See y'all next time. Thank you for watching.